Indian girls don't prefer porn.
This is so wrong.
We go for real.
We go for real sex.
We go for real things, not porn.
Indian
Straight.
girls can.
Which porn do you prefer?
Sorry?
Which porn do you prefer?
You porn.
Desi or Videsi porn?
Videsi.
Videsi or Desi?
Videsi.
देसी ओ विदेशी विदेशी
देसी ये अंदर का वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड बोला सर.
ऑलवेज विदेशी यार
ऑलवेज विदेशी सर.
विदेशी सेम
The one I watched is not Desi.
It was
It
विदेशी.
was Videsi.
So
So
अच्छा
I have also watched the Desi one and it's sucked.
देसी देखते हो कि विदेशी देखते हो?
दोनों देखते हैं
तुम का देखते हो भैया?
दोनों
तुम का देखते हो भैया?
दोनों भाई
मल्टी टैलेंटेड लोग हैं हमारे पास.
Honestly, more of Videshi porn, but I don't think there's anything wrong in watching a bit of Oriental porn as well.
वंडरफुल एंड डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर. वेरी गुड.
भैया अंग्रेजी ने तो काम करना बंद कर दिया आजकल देसी चल रही है
आजकल देसी चल रही है सर.
जी हिंदी डायलॉग्स होने चाहिए जब मजा आता है. एक्स वीडियोस पे देखिए.
Videshi, obviously.
विदेशी ऑब्वियसली.
विदेशी ना
विदेशी. What turns you on, देसी और विदेशी porn?
विदेशी
आंटियों को देखने का शौक नहीं है वैसे तो obviously Videshi. Not Desi for sure.
Why?
It's gross.
What do you like about the Videshi porn?
I have not been into porns much.
What about you?
It's like they are better. Means you don't feel pukish about that, and in Hindi it's like very good.
Videshi.
Videshi?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a desi porn ever?
Yeah, I actually I think browsing through the site, so you can just actually see pop-ups and stuff on the site. It looks really disgusting.
स्टोरी लाइन किसमें ज्यादा अच्छा होता है, देसी या विदेशी?
Who cares about storyline?
क्यों? इट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ओ प्लीज, यू वांट द रियल स्टफ.
स्टोरी लाइन विदेशी
हाउ सर?
शुरू से स्टार्ट होता है ना, कहाँ से कॉलेज आया, कहाँ से लड़की मिली, कहाँ से क्या कैसे क्या. देसी में तो सीधे पंखा चल रहा है, उधर लुंगी टंगी हुई है, खत्म कहानी.
There was no storyline. Thak tak tak tak. That's it.
नो स्टोरी लाइन. टक 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 टक.
इंग्लिश में अच्छी होती है बिकॉज दे ब्रेक द रिलेशंस ऑल द टाइम. आप देखिए मदर फादर, मदर सन, स्टेप सन. हाँ, फादर डॉटर, मतलब आप कोई भी रिलेशन ले लीजिए, दे गोना ब्रेक इट.
मदर मदर फादर 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 मदर मदर डॉटर डॉटर सिस्टर सिस्टर फकर.
डिपेंड करता है ना कि अगर प्लॉट पे बी ग्रेड मूवी देख रहे हो इंडिया की, तो उसमें तो स्टोरी लाइन वो भी बना लेते हैं.
बी ग्रेड वाले मिस टीचर,
मिस टीचर यही लगी हुई थी कश्मीरी गेट के पीछे.
यही है हमारा लौंडा. देख लो जरा, ढंग से देख लो सर. यही जाता कश्मीरी गेट देखने पोरन.
You know, I watched I think one scene where I saw that there's a Muslim couple who is doing it, and then they're like, "Mashallah." Actually doing that, and I'm like, "Are you serious? You're in fucking porn, and you're like, Mashallah."
Without romance, it's just nothing. You can't get that orgasm what you want.
Yeah, right. Why you're describing so much?
Okay, then with his hands, I mean,
Yeah,
this is
he's
very interesting. हाँ.
Yeah.
You can't get orgasm with it. वो ठीक है, थोड़ा कुछ और नहीं किया सर ने. Do you know what a MILF is?
What a MILF is? Married woman or something. I'm not sure about the term.
Don't full cream.
Milk.
Who fucks with some other guy?
Sir, do you know what a MILF is, sir?
लाइक बचपन में किसी ने बताया था.
क्या बताया था सर?
बताया यही था कि आई डोंट नो क्या बताया था. मैं तो अभी रामायण पढ़ रहा हूँ तो इसलिए मुझे.
Mom, I love to fuck.
Oh, I love to fuck. Okay, she's the first woman. I mean, first girl we have seen who knows the full form of MILF.
I like South X milfs, so they're really hot.
South X की MILFs. आप कैसे कैसे ढूंढते हो जाके South X, दरियागंज, लाजपत नगर.
My friends, उनकी mom, they're really hot, so they are from South Delhi, so they're really hot.
Give me your number. There's a differentiate between a desi as well as a Videshi MILF.
Desi milf. I don't think I've ever given much thought to it.
She has good assets.
Good assets, okay.
That's it. That's the difference, I guess, from Videsi and Desi porn. They look for good assets, and Desi porn has good assets.
वहाँ की जो आंटी होती है वो अलग टाइप की आंटी होती है.
As in?
यहाँ मल्लू बोलता है और वहाँ it's like white chocolate.
White chocolate. This guy is racist. He's a sexist.
An Englishman will be like, okay, come on, fuck me hard.
My husband is coming.
Yeah, he'll come. And in English porn there is like a husband will come and he'll join them. Okay, he'll join them. Then it becomes threesome. And Hindi porn they are like, come on, don't shout.
They were also joins na Hindi wale mein.
No bro.
If you ever get a chance to direct a desi porn, what would you name it?
I wouldn't direct one. Never. It's not happening.
Not a desi one at least.
Mastani bhabi.
Mastani Bha.
सुहागरात पे अटके तो बीवी भटके.
Turkey.
Turkey, Havas ka pujari.
Havas ka pujari. Turkey. Okay, what about you?
वैशी दरिंदा.
क्या घाघरे में होता सर्कस?
Who would be the star cast
Who would be the star cast?
in a desi porn if you directed?
Okay. In male role, I would really would like to take Randeep Hooda.
Randeep Hooda, okay.
Yeah.
And the woman?
It would be, I think, Jacqueline.
I don't know. I think I would like to see Sashi Tharoor and let's suppose Menka Gandhi. I don't know.
I will never watch that porn in my life.
You?
Me?
Yeah.
With
Sunny Deol.
Sunny Deol?
Deol.
Sunny Deol, okay.
I think I would love to see Rahul Khanna in a porn movie. I'd love to see what's going under those pants.
Okay, and the woman?
As long as it's not Sunny Leone.